Some were big, some were small, but their brains weren't large at all. Most were strong, not really bright, but some had brains that shine so bright. Troodon, the clever kind, had a brain so sharp, so primed. With watchful eyes and hunting skill, it used its smarts to stalk and kill. Thinking fast, quick and keen, Troodon ruled the hunting scene. Dodging, chasing, full of might, a dino brain that burned so bright. Some were strong, some were wise, brains and claws in different size. Big or small, they found their way, ruling Earth in their own way. T-Rex roared, big and tough, but his brain was not enough. Troodon, though not as grand, had the smartest mind on land. Some were strong, some were wise, brains and claws in different size. Big or small, they found their way, ruling Earth in their own way. From fossils found, we start to see how dino brains shaped history. Some were thinkers, some were strong, all survived by playing along. Even now, their story stays through the birds we see today. A dino past still alive in every wing that takes to the sky. Some were strong,